Hi there, welcome into the channel. My name is Laura with the Curated Caravan. And today I was going to do some photographing, and then I realized I hadn't even shown you guys this awesome haul that I got from the other day. It's a pretty big one. It's not one of the boxes because even though I do have plenty of inventory, I still like to mix it in with things that I find myself at local thrift stores because sometimes, it's not stuff that you get in those boxes. Those boxes are great, but a lot of that stuff is, the lower end, more of the Urban Outfitter kind of stuff, the stuff that is probably going to sell for me on Depop for not very much money. So some of this is a little better quality. And sometimes, I just have a free day and I just want to take a drive. It was a beautiful day. I love the drive over to some of these other spots. So anyway, justification's done. Let's take a look at the stuff that I found. So I went to I went to quite a few different thrift stores because when I got to one of the farthest towns that I go to is Jackson. And while I was at a home consignment store, which is amazing, I will put the name of it up here because I can't remember what it's called, but I always see it when I'm driving, and this is the first time that I've stopped by. And so the owner, whose name is Randy, she is awesome. And she asked if I was a thrifter. I said yes, and she goes, okay, so you have to go to this store, this store, this store. And it was stores that I've never gone to. I've never seen one of these stores, never seen it in my life, and I drive by there every time I go. And anyway, so I checked some of those out. I found some things at one of them, but actually my usual was where I found the most stuff. Cat is here. Anyway, so I will show you what I found, and you'll see it was a great day for me. I can't remember exactly how much I spent. I know I spent $70 at the hospice. That was the most. So I'll give you a general idea of how much I spent on each item. Starting out, okay, so the hospice was where I spent the most money, and some of the stuff I picked up as I was standing in line. They brought out a new cart, and there were quite a few things on this new cart. And these were one of the things that I picked up. These are a pair of, wellies, kind of an equestrian look. They've got the stirrup, or the, what do you call that, harness. And all I could see on the bottom was it said made in Italy. So I couldn't read the branding. And then finally, when I was able to, I can't remember where I found it, but these are Stuart Weitzman wellies. So I can't remember the pricing on these. They're pretty good. They're not fantastic like I was hoping they were, a little more, but for $3.99, definitely a yes. They just need a little bit of, they've got a little dirt in the soles, but besides that, they're in fantastic condition. They're fleece lined. So those were a great pickup. Also, off that same brand new cart was this Fossil bag that is like brand new. There is absolutely no wear on this thing at all. Nowhere. I mean, it's pristine inside and outside. Everything looks great. Fossil bag. It was like, I think they charged $3.99 on their purses. And so that was definitely a pickup for me. Also on that same cart were these Danskos. I am careful with Danskos anymore, but the Mary Jane style I thought was cute. And these were very lightly worn. Great soles. So those were all, and those were $3.99 at store. Oh, this was at that store also. And the tag is cut out, but to me it looks like London Fog. I'm not sure 100% though. There's the tag. Like I said, it's cut out, but this is a navy blue trench coat. Really good condition. It's got the removable faux fur lining, and really good condition. And I think they charge $4.99 for coats. But this is cute. I wish it fit me because I would love to have a trench like this. Next, this kimono is amazing too. This was at another store, I think. No, maybe it was there. Same store. Winter silks. Love winter silks. Especially this is an extra large. And it's a burnout velvet kimono. And it is gorgeous. And look at, it's got this gorgeous fringe hem. I'm expecting, okay, I haven't looked it up yet, but based on other kimonos like this that I've sold, I'm thinking like $75 probably for that one. Okay, this was just a throwaway. This was like $2.99, I think they charge for tank tops. Just a little waif, new with tags, just a little cami. White, because it's just cheap. Oh, this I thought was cute too. So their dresses are $2.99 or $3.99 because I can't remember if they've gone up or not. This is a Ted Baker, so high retail. And I just like the style of this dress because it's got these really pretty florals on it with a black background. It's a midi length and a V-neck. So for $2 or $3.99, I thought that was great. This one, oh, see, I wish I would have kept these separate because now I can't remember exactly. Pretty sure this was, maybe the same store, maybe not, but it's Paul Smith. A nice, it's merino wool, blue sweater since we're going into fall. This was at another hospice store, so I think this was $2.99. Brand I've never heard of before. I looked it up. Retail was like over $200. Curated is the brand. It's a men's dress shirt. Not sure about resell, but you know, when the retail is that high, it's worth taking a chance on. Okay, this I also picked up kind of last minute at the same store. It's a new with tags, LL Bean, rose colored fleece in a large size. I think it's an extra large. So that was great. That was like $3.99, or they might have charged me $4.99 considering it a sweater, not sure exactly. Okay, this is the Chico's Travelers. And these are nice. These sell pretty well because people like to throw them on when they're traveling. And it's in, I think, a larger size. Size 2, so that's like a medium, so not a larger size. But it was in nice condition, and I think she charged me $2.99 for it, maybe $3.99 max. But it's in really good condition. Let's see, what is this one? Oh yeah, this one was from the other store. So $4.99 because it is a coat. It needs to be it's not fur on it, it's just like little fuzzies. So like it was next to like a knit of some sort, but it's a Ted Baker coat, size 7. So that's a big size, I'm thinking, for Ted Baker. It has a zip, and I'm not sure if it's men's or women's, actually. So it has this removable inset not fur, but knit, what do you call it? Knit collar area that you can remove, and then it is just a button front coat if you don't want that kind of coat. And it's in good condition. Like I said, oh, those are pretty. The pulls are really nice. And it just needs to be, what is that? Lint removed. It needs a lint roller. Lint roller, that's what I was trying to think of. It needs a lint roller. Nice black coat for $5. Great for the season. Okay, some of this stuff, I'm like, I don't even remember what this was. Oh, that's okay. That's not from this. That's from my box. Because I've kind of got them Okay, those are all from the box, but these are from my haul. Okay, this is just a pair of figs pants, $2.99 because they're non-denim. Just everyday, you know, workwear pair of figs. Figs used to be amazing to sell, and anymore it's kind of dropped off, but I will still pick it up if it's in good condition. This is a Sundance top for $2.99. It is beaded, and I thought the beads were good, but there are a few missing, and it's hard to tell because with the pattern, I don't even think you could tell which ones are missing and which ones aren't. But anyway, it is all beaded. It is Sundance, and it's a medium. Nice color. Then what else did I get? I got another dress shirt. Oh, a Scotch and Soda. High retail. We'll see how it does for me. It's like a blue, no, actually it's a purple. It's a purple men's dress shirt. I think it's a medium. It's a medium. What is this one? Okay, it's been a few days. I can't remember what I picked up. Cartonier. I think this is sold at Anthro. Nice little gray blazer, fitted look, a little bit cropped. Just a nice little blazer. That's probably gonna sit there, actually. Not the easiest thing to sell. Pair of Lululemon black leggings, $2.99. These I picked up from a new to me store, and they were having a buy one get one free sale. So these I think were I think I took off the tag, but something I bought for $6 and then I got these for free, or the other way around. So the brand is called Print Fresh. Sold it before. I've sold, I think, these pants before. Print Fresh. And I just love the pattern. It's these tigers pajama pant. It's a size 2X. So all good there. Those are very cute. And these I picked up at that same store. Picolinos. I think they're made in Portugal? Spanish. They're made in Spain. Nice leather mule. I think these were $12, but I think they're worth $12 because they're really, really nice. And people look for that brand. Okay, these were the ones that I sold with a buy one get one. Okay, so the brand is called Flog, that I didn't know of, but these are just a pull-on dress pant, and this is a very expensive brand, I guess. I think, is it Danish or Scandinavian of some sort? But I saw the branded buttons, and usually that's a sign of better quality. Don't know if these will sell quickly because it is not a real known brand, but it is an expensive brand. I think the rest, yeah, those are all from my box. Hopefully I'm gonna get all this stuff photographed today. And so yesterday I went to my local and just picked up a few things, nothing fantastic. $2.99 for a little Free People top. A J. Jill sweater that is linen for $3.99. I got, what is this? Oh, it's a Soma nightgown. It was half price, so I got it for $3. Those usually sell pretty well for me. What is this? Oh, it's a 511 tactical men's shirt, green button front, $3.99. And oh, RVCA sells really well for me too. And this is just like a graphic tee. That's the back of it. And it was $2.99. And then I got this because, you know, it's weird enough. Just a yellow beads. We'll see how that does, just to get something different. Oh, I also got a couple things for myself. Be right back. So I got just two things for myself. Just this little railroad stripe little jacket. It's got like a curved hem and button front. I thought that was super cute. These are just loft, so you know, not expensive if I was going to resell them, but I just like the style of them. And then this one is a loft, just a loft little cardi. So I don't know, I love jackets. And those are two really cute jackets that I got secondhand. I think that's it for me for today. And now I'm gonna get to work. I don't know what you guys think of the new Poshmark mailing situation. It's great as a buyer. It's way less expensive, and that's really good. It's not so great for us sellers. Thankfully, I already had a stash of poly mailers that I already used for Mercari and Depop. So I did order, I'll link it down below if you are looking for the email to, you can email USPS, and Poshmark has set up a, what do you call it? A corporate account so you can get poly mailers for free. So that is fantastic. And I sent them an email to begin with and got no reply. And then I sent one yesterday and immediately got an instant. They got my order and they would tell me when it's going to be shipping. So I think that I feel a lot more secure now that I got the reply, because before I didn't know if they even got my reply. But so with this, we should still have free shipping supply. So that is fantastic. And it's cheaper for the buyer. So all in all, it's going to be really good. Even though it's just a little bit getting used to. I love my Tyvek mailers. So we'll see what they send us. And now I have a bunch that I think I'm going to try to bring to the post office and see if they want them. Because I'm probably not going to be selling many things on priority mail anymore. So that's it for me today. Oh, I did get two more things that I forgot. Actually, 5 more things, but I count these as one. These were $3.99 each, and they're just these cute little pictures that someone framed. They had them professionally framed, so they're really nice. And even if I wanted to resell them, they have a pretty good resale value from what I'm seeing. They came from like I think the 1800s, these little prints. Anyway, there's 4 of them. I might put them up in my house, but I'm not sure exactly. Either way, for $3.99 each, I thought they were good. And then this bowl is really great. I don't want to ship it. I do not want to ship it, but it is a nice, isn't that great? Like popcorn bowl. But it is Montauk, New Hampshire. There's the back. Resale looked like it was pretty good. And anyway, I picked that up. I also picked up 2 Francoma platters that they're already out in my trailer, so I'm not gonna go get those for you guys, but I like Francoma. It's not super high quality, but I like the style of it, so I picked those up. And I think that is everything. So it happens when I don't do it instantly and everything gets put in all different places, but I think that's it. So thanks for joining me, everybody, and I'll hopefully have this little video out for you this week. And so have a good one. Bye-bye.